Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The name of the course is Object Oriented Programming, and today's lecture topic is JavaFX from Unit 5, JavaFX Event Handling Controls and Components. On completion, the students will be able to understand the major components in JavaFX application and list down the different types of nodes and describe the life cycle of JavaFX application. What is JavaFX? JavaFX is a set of graphics and media packages that enable the developers to design, create, test, debug, and deploy desktop applications and also rich internet applications that operate consistently across diverse platforms. The applications built in JavaFX can run on multiple platforms such as web, mobile, as well as desktops. A JavaFX application has three major components, namely stage, scene, and nodes. Stage. It is a window in JavaFX application. It is similar to the frame in the case of a Swing application. This stage acts like a container for all the JavaFX objects. Primary stage is created internally by the platform, and other stage can be further created by the application. A stage has two main parameters determining its position, namely width and height. It is divided as content area and decorations, which include the title bars and borders. We have to call the method show in order to display the contents of a stage. There are five types of stages available, which include decorated, undecorated, transparent, unified, and utility. Scene. A scene represents the physical contents of a JavaFX application. It contains all the contents of a scene graph. The class scene of the package JavaFX.scene represents the object of scene. At an instance, the scene object is added to only one stage. Scene graph and nodes. A scene graph is a tree-like data structure in a hierarchical order representing the contents of a scene. In contrast, a node is a graphical object of a screen graph. A node may include geometrical or graphical objects in 2D and 3D such as circle, rectangle, polygon, etc. User interface controls such as buttons, checkbox, choice box, text area, etc. Containers, which include layout panes such as border pane, grid pane, flow pane, etc. and media elements such as audio, video, and image objects. A node is of three types: root node, branch node or parent node, as well as leaf node. The first scene graph is known as the root node, and the node which has child nodes are known as branch or parent nodes. The parent nodes will be of the following type. Group. A group node is a collective node that contains a list of children nodes. Whenever the group node is rendered, all its child nodes are rendered in order. Any transformation effect state applied on this group will be applied to all the child nodes. Region. It is the base class of all the JavaFX node based UI controls such as chart, pane, and control. Web view. This node manages the web engine and displays its contents. Leaf nodes. The nodes that are not having child nodes are known as the leaf nodes. Life cycle of a Java application. The JavaFX application. The JavaFX application class has the following life cycle methods. Launch method. This is to launch the JavaFX application. Init method. It is an empty method which can be overridden, but we cannot create a stage or scene in this method. Start method. The entry point method where the JavaFX graphics code is to be written. Stop method. It is also an empty method which can be overridden, and here we can write the logic to stop the application. General rules for writing JavaFX application. A JavaFX application must extend javafx.application.application. Here the main method should call application.launch method, and the start method is the main entry point for all the JavaFX applications. Start method is called when a stage is connected to the operating system's window. The content of the scene is represented as hierarchical scene graph of nodes. Stage is the top level JavaFX container and scene is the container for all the content. Quiz questions on JavaFX. Write down the three major components in JavaFX application. Explain briefly the life cycle of JavaFX application. Thank you.